Hey guys, NCWQ here. Hope y'all are doing well. Oh my God. I have had the craziest last few days, last week with being sick. Let me see. Accounts being closed, not getting money to pay rent, uh, you name it. So much craziness going on. Um, Everything, God willing, will sort itself out. I am just hanging on by fingernails right now, and we'll just pray that everything with my family will get sorted. Anyway, we're going to take a look at what's going on with this forecast for our tropical season. If we notice, in the tropics, we have number 4 now. The number 4 is Cyclone 4. Is it 14 knots, 16 miles per hour, 1,012 millibars? And guess what? It does have a path now. That path takes it over Florida and up through Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. And let's see where it's planning on being. It is going to be up by North Carolina by Tuesday, 8 a.m. This is just a model forecast, so it's not exactly exact because we obviously don't know exactly what will happen until we get out here into warmer waters. Right now, this is where it's located. So when it hits these warmer waters, some models are stating that it'll stay out here in the Gulf of Mexico for a little bit and hover over Florida for a few days. Some are saying that it'll move on. So we'll see what's going to happen. We're going to see whether the cone of uncertainty puts it more over land or whether it'll put it more over water. So we'll see. This shows it moving over Florida here Saturday, Sunday PM, then Monday back Monday into Tuesday back off land here. It's supposed to say a storm all the way up through here through Wednesday. So we'll be dealing with it. And my area here, I was talking to somebody about the Cape Fear River. Usually when we have storms all the way through hurricanes, the Cape Fear River does flood. So that is something to keep an eye on. South Carolina, because it is lower lying land, they always have flooding with I-95, which runs along this area here. So they can expect some flooding. So that is something to keep an eye on. Let's take a look at potential rainfall here. You can see that I-95, which runs along here, has a chance to 4 to 6 inches of rain. Down here in Charleston areas, along with Savannah and these areas, they have 8 to 12 inches of rain. Wait, that is, sorry, 6 to 8 inches of rain forecast. So that is something to keep an eye on. Anyway, through Florida here, they have 4 to 6 inches of rain, and in some areas, 6 to inches of rain that they need to be keeping an eye on. And even over here in a little piece of Florida here, we're looking at upwards of 12 to 16 inches of rain. That is something to keep an eye on, 8 to 12 to 16 inches of rain. So that is something to be keeping an eye on. We have areas here that have got 2 to 4 inches of rain. That's up into Charlotte. So even in my area, we're going to have 2 to 4 inches of rain. So that is something to keep an eye on. Um, yeah, so I just thought I would show you all that. We'll look at Windy real quick. We can see our area of disturbance is down here. And this is the area of disturbance, which is down in this area here. Um, Not really good view on Windy. Let's see if we have anything on weather radar. You can see our areas here. This is just what we're seeing on here. Nothing big right now, just the area of disturbance. And it hasn't really gotten itself together. It's just big band of thunderstorms. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd give y'all a real quick update. I hope y'all are doing well. Um, let's see if there has been any earthquakes to update about. I just put in earthquakes. Ta-da! EMSC. Let's see here. I know there was a 5.6 yesterday. Oh, there was a 2.5 Wasatch Front urban area, Utah. I know there was a 5.6 Alaska yesterday. Let's do it this way. So we'll just check yesterday and today. Put that in. We'll do magnitude 5 up to magnitude, whoops, magnitude 6. Just curious what the magnitudes are today and yesterday. Search. So there was a 5.0 south of Panama yesterday, a 5.6 south of Alaska, a 5.2 West Chile rise, a 5.1 southern Italy. Ooh, interesting. We'll have to go and take a peek at that one. A 5.0 Fiji region, a 5.1 southeast Indian Ridge. Let's take a look at this 5.1 southern Italy. So we'll get this in here and go look at this on Google Earth real quick. It's not often we see a big earthquake in Italy. This is down here on the boot. This doesn't look like a usual place for an earthquake. There's not too much I can say about this. Vivio Petropolia, tourist attraction. So that's a tourist attraction there. Not much I can say about this because I don't know much about it. This looks like a vineyard. So there's nothing really I can say about that. But this is down on the boot. And this is the Africa Eurasian convergent boundary here. So it is plate movement. So anyways, that's plate movement there. All right, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe. Take good care of yourselves. Me, for one, I will be looking at getting water and getting prepared as I know that officially hurricane season is getting rowdy and it is go time. Anyways, you guys, much love. God bless. I hope that you all have a great weekend wherever you are in the world. Whether it is already Saturday your time, whether it is morning, noon, or night. I love you, and I hope I can bring some good information to you. Remember to tell those in your family and your friends that you love them. Much love and God bless.